Is your PS5 getting too hot to touch or shutting down in the middle of a boss fight? Don't let your console burn out because we are going to fix these overheating issues right now. Welcome back to Tech Vibes. This usually happens because the liquid metal cooling system, or the internal fans, are struggling to move air through the compact chassis. It is a common problem as the console ages, but a few quick adjustments can save your hardware from permanent damage. Step 1 is to check your console placement. Move your PS5 out of any enclosed cabinets or tight shelf spaces immediately. It needs at least 4 inches of open space on all sides to breathe properly and exhaust hot air. Step 2 is to switch the orientation of your console. If you are running it vertically and experiencing shutdowns, try laying it horizontally. This can sometimes help the internal liquid metal coolant distribute more evenly across the processor. Step 3 is the external dust check. Use a soft cloth or a small vacuum to clean the intake vents along the top and sides of the console. These vents are the primary gateway for cool air, and even a thin layer of dust can choke the system. Step 4 is to remove the white faceplates for a deeper clean. They pop off easily without any tools. Once they are off, you will see the dedicated dust catcher holes, which are designed specifically for you to vacuum out trapped debris. Step 5 is to inspect the main cooling fan. While the faceplates are off, check if the fan blades are caked in grime. You can use a can of compressed air to blow out the dust, but make sure to hold the fan still so it does not spin too fast and damage the motor. Step 6 is to clean the power supply vents. The power supply is located at the bottom of the console and has its own small ventilation holes. If these are blocked, the console will shut down instantly to prevent a fire hazard. Step 7 is to check your external storage. If you have an M.2 SSD installed, make sure it has a high-quality heatsink attached. An overheating expansion drive can trigger a full system shutdown during heavy gameplay. Step 8 is to rebuild the database in safe mode. Turn off the console and hold the power button until you hear a second beep. Select option 5 to rebuild the database, which can fix software bugs that cause the processor to overwork and overheat. Step 9 is to check your power cable and outlet. A loose power connection or a failing surge protector can cause heat buildup at the plug. Plug the console directly into a wall outlet to ensure a steady and cool flow of electricity. Step 10 is to update your system software. Sony often releases firmware updates that optimize fan speeds and power management. Go to Settings and then System to ensure you are running the latest version. For a bonus pro tip, try placing your PS5 on a hard flat surface like a desk or a dedicated stand. Avoid placing it on carpet or rugs because the fibers trap heat underneath the console and act like an insulator. If you are still facing any difficulty or your PS5 is still running hot, drop a comment below right now. I will be checking the comments and I will reply to help you out within 1 hour. If these tips helped cool down your console, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Vibes. You are ready to get back into the game and stay cool under pressure.